Presentation and information on multipurpose acrylic paint, composed of 3 film-forming agents. This paint eliminates the deficiencies, drawbacks, and technical limitations of general paint, without the need for investment in space and fixed assets. Using additives, the user decides at the time of use the desired option, choose the desired color, a decorative inside a broad paint, an anti-condensation paint, a waterproofing agent for walkable terraces and roofs, or an acrylic mortar, without the need for agitators or metric tinting machines. Multipurpose paint can be formulated, in the factory, with nanoparticles to obtain a photocatalytic paint. Outstanding properties of multipurpose paint: free of volatile organic compounds, excellent permeability, overcomes hydrolysis, low absorption, prevents saponification, overcomes chalking and carbonation and requires no maintenance, ecologically harmless to animals and plants, can be cleaned with pressurized water, steam engine, etc. Tests carried out by approved external laboratories certify the chemical and mechanical properties of the paint. Thank you for your time. APATRIOTA 944ATSIGNGMAIL.com